Welcome back to my little Italian house. The smell is amazing here. It's obviously winter and I have a hat, scarf, fingerless gloves on, but it smells like almost like wood burning fireplaces. I'm gonna head up to the piazza because the first thing I do every morning when I arrive here at my little Italian house is to go get a coffee in the piazza. Cafe Helvetico means actually quite a bit to me because it's the first place I went to, restaurant, cafe, I went to when I was looking for my little Italian house. So before we saw my little Italian house, before I was showed around, we stopped in here to have lunch. And it's now become this place that I identify with a lot of my happiness here. So I always head here, Cafe Helvetico, to get my coffee first thing in the morning. This is my favorite spot here in Cafe Helvetico because you have the view of the entire piazza. I always feel lucky when I get this spot. I think it's probably the most coveted table and chairs in here, and it's just lovely, especially in the winter when you can't sit outside. So I arrived today. I'm going to show you two things. Obviously, we've arrived. It's opening ceremonies when I'm filming this video for the Olympics in Milano Cortina. And giochiamo means basically let's play. So it's very exciting. I'm going to read some of this because, you know, my Italian is okay. And reading is much easier for me, I think, than speaking. Speaking's okay. But anyway, this I'm definitely going to read. Anyway, I won't go through the boring things, but it's very exciting because it's opening ceremonies tonight. And I also wanted to point this out. So this is a book that I keep here in my little Italian house, and it's called Places in Italy, A Private Grand Tour. And the author is Frances Russell, who is a family friend of ours. So we've known, well, my husband and his family have known Frances for years. And I was given this book. It is excellent. So if you are, by the way, this is not an ad or anything like that, but if you are traveling to Italy, this book is, I would say, and it's not because he's a family friend, one of the best, well-written, incredibly detailed, a lot of culture in here all around Italy. So do check it out. This is basically going to be your Bible. I know you guys will love this. So check this out. And yeah, I'm going to finish my Americano, have a little bit of read through this, and then head to the panificio, which is basically where I get my fresh bread every day. The first thing I always do when I arrive back in Italy is to just slow everything right down. So I open up the shutters, I let the morning light in, I make my coffee, and I give myself just like a little moment before the day begins. After travel, my skin usually needs just as much care as I do. So this has become part of my very first morning ritual here. And one thing I always bring with me to Italy is my FAQ 202 by Foreo. And it's honestly been such a game changer, you guys. If you followed me for a while, you'll know that I have been using Foreo products for years. And this new generation silicone LED face mask has become a real staple in my routine. It's ultra lightweight, wireless, made from this beautifully soft, flexi fit silicone, so it sits comfortably on the face and gives even light coverage. So I just press the universal button to turn it on, and then quick press to change the LED colors depending on what my skin needs that morning. And it uses 8 different LED wavelengths, including red and near infrared light, which are designed to help those fine lines, the dullness, the uneven tone, and even redness. And what I love most is that it fits perfectly into like real life. So I'll wear it for up to 15 minutes while I'm making coffee, while I'm unpacking, or getting ready for the day. And when I'm finished, I simply press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it off, and my skin already feels like calmer, smoother, and more awake. Exactly what I want on my first morning here. And I've really noticed that my skin looks less dull, it's more even toned, it's like healthier overall when I keep this up as part of my routine. And if I'm short on time later in the day, I'll use my UFO 3 for a quick 2-minute spa facial. I love it, and it's perfect before heading out. So if you'd like to try the FAQ 202 and the other Foreo bestsellers, check out the link in my description box, and don't forget to use my code JINITALY30. You'll get an extra, you guys, whopping 30% off on almost all Foreo products, including items that are already discounted. So it's a really great time to treat yourself. And for me, this quiet morning ritual is the perfect way to begin life, la dolce vita, back in Italy, calm, cared for, and ready for the day. Okay, I'm in Panificio, and they have amazing fresh breads, croissants, small focaccia, and amazing pane. And I'm gonna get half of bread because I don't need that much, but it's just lovely. Everything's homemade, and it's just wonderful. Okay, per me, per favore, un pane ma metà.
Metà, ok. Alimentazione naturale?
Sì.
Ok, poi?
Perfetto, sì,
Basta
finito.
così?
Basta, sì. So if you're coming to Fivizzano, do get your fresh bread here. It's delicious. There's another one also down via Roma as well. So I love all the shops here. I don't have a favorite apart from Cafe Atletico because obviously it means so much to me. So my morning so far, Americano in the piazza, tick. Then of course, fresh bread, panificio, tick. Now I'm going to head into the Erboristeria to basically buy some of my favorite bubble bath. And if you remember, the bath that I have in my little Italian house is something literally that I found on almost like on the side of the road, and then had it restored in Firenze, in Florence. And she has the most amazing different fragrance, but all natural bubble bath. It is divine. So I'm gonna head in here now. So I'm looking for this amazing bubble bath. I always have it in here. It's somewhere here, but all the stuff here is natural. La stessa cosa qui?
Allora, qui non c'è scritto.
Vediamo. Questo. Sì.
Questo qua.
A Fivizzano io vado il negozio che mi piace molto.
Dai,
Sì,
che
sì.
Però mi tolgo sto palandrana qua, almeno so, cioè mica fa freddo, se no sembra
Non fa
che
freddo.
sembra una vecchietta che sta...
Bellissima, bellissima. No, mi piace molto questo perché mi sento...
Il
sì,
profumo è buono, poi è molto delicato anche.
Sì, sì. Peony è anche rosa, sì?
Questa è peonia e...
Peonia, sì.
Peonia che è rosa biologica.
Sì, perfetto. Grazie,
Allora,
grazie. Yay, this is going to be lovely, lovely tonight. And that's my morning. Now I'm going to head back, do a bit of work, because when I'm here, I usually need to catch up on admin from all the bells. Lots of admin, because of course there's Mapperton back in England, and even though I might have left Mapperton physically, it seems to follow me wherever I go. So I'll do a little bit of work, and then it'll be lovely lunch where here everything shuts down between about 12:30 to 3:30, and you can go out and find a lovely restaurant, apart from the restaurants of course, restaurant to eat il pranzo. So we headed to the sea, the sand, and of course, the sun, finding a perfect spot for a wonderfully delicious lunch. How perfect is this? Sea behind me, sun behind me, delicious meal, now kind of walking it off. And in front of me, one of our favorite gelaterias. And let's see, they usually have a lot of seasonal gelatos as well. So we'll see what they have. I mean, it is of course winter, but can you believe it, I've taken my coat off. It's about 13 degrees Celsius, which maybe not is a good thing, but I can tell you from somebody who's been living in England this entire winter with rain every single day and never even like a peak of the sunshine coming through any type of clouds because it's pretty much a white sheet. This sun on the skin feels incredible, so I'll take it. Favorite gelateria right here. And I think I'll get a cafe as well. Why not? I chose dark chocolate and pear gelato. Absolutely delicious and even better in the sun. This thing says it's 17 degrees. That is warm. Wow. It's properly warm. The sign above me says that it's 17 degrees. I mean, it's insane. We were literally like skiing yesterday, and today we are in sunshine, and I still have my fingerless gloves on and my hat, but I could easily take them off. But you know, I'm a cold person through and through, so I need to stay warm, but this is amazing. And of course the ice cream is out of this world. I'm on my run, but I just wanted to pause and show you this fantastic waterfall here. I mean, it's just a glorious day. Beautiful, bright sky. Perfect day for a run. All right, I gotta get back to it. Sorry for the jangling, running, but there is Cesano. This feels amazing, even though I'm still going uphill. The sun is all over my face, my arms. Amazing. I'm at the top, well, where I'm going at least. Cesano is behind me, and I just gotta get back, and I love it. On my way home. One of my favorite places to run. Sorry without a camera, but you can see the castle. I mean, it's so invigorating running here. Look closely. I'm nearly finished. 1 kilometer to go. Post-run, which most of it was uphill, well, 3.5 kilometers. And look at my view. So that circuit that I do is about 6.5 kilometers, which isn't, I mean, normally I try to do 10 or more, but it works out today, especially with this. Can I just tell you how magical this feels? I just finished my run, having my coffee, sun on my face, fountain in the background, and the noise of the lovely sound of the fountain. Absolute heaven. Now I can open my eyes because it's underneath a cloud. How perfect is this? Post-run Americano. Yes, it was raining, but not during my run. In the piazza, fountain right there, and the bells. I mean, It couldn't get more perfect than this. Plus, there's bits of sunshine as well. I'll zoom out a bit. Fantastico.